I love that. Alright, let's cut to the chase. I got a guest with me today. Want to introduce yourself?
I'm Gina, one of Kelly's best friends. Known each other since 7th grade.
7th grade. We are now in our junior year of college.
Little tear coming down.
Speaking of college, we're going back on Monday. So right now, we're running a few errands. That's how you say it, right?
Errands. See Abby
Oh yeah.
at Michael's.
Abby was in one of my other videos, having a deaf best friend. I'll put it right here. We're on our way to the mall right now. I was just like, Gina, why don't you just like search up a couple of questions we can answer?
Shit, I didn't do that.
Best friend tag.
Okay. I feel like I should. Okay, hold on. Questions to ask your best friend. When is my birthday?
July 28th. 8th?
Close.
Did I get the 2 right?
Yeah.
27th.
Yeah. Yours is April 17th.
Gay shit. It's literally rare for me to remember people's birthdays, so I'm really surprised I just remembered
Yeah,
yours.
no, I don't. I sometimes I forget my mom's birthday. What's one food I can't live without?
Watermelon.
Oh my god, true. That's
Or
true.
like
I give up.
anything
No,
Italian.
anything. No, watermelon's it.
Okay.
Yeah.
That's what
Cheese. Cheese. You love grapes. You love fruit too. I don't know.
Fruit? I think that's like my answer. Fruit. I
love-
can't live without fruit.
Alfredo. Boom. That's it.
Oh, you would know that if you watched my other video.
What?
My cook with me video.
Oh yeah, yeah. Favorite color? Do we red?
Yeah. Yours?
I don't know. I
feel
just
like
go
you
with-
would say some emo shit and be like black.
Yes. What Netflix show am I watching right now?
You.
You.
That's one of my favorites. I might do a video on that
pretty
because I need to talk about it.
It's
crazy.
I see a lot of TikToks about it. It's funny.
Everybody
I don't
does.
even know what you're watching. I feel like you're just watching everything
Yeah.
at the same time.
Yeah.
You'll go to bed watching like Simpsons.
Oh my god, it scares me how much you know
posted
me.
that.
I watch a lot of YouTube. So do you.
Am I coffee or tea? I like birth.
I like bar too. I feel like you used to be a coffee person, but now you're more of a tea person.
I'm legit both, but
Yeah.
I gave up coffee. I only drink decaf. I don't think I've talked about my favorite movie.
Movie?
Yeah.
I remember you said it was the Titanic at one
That was
point.
a long time ago.
Okay, well somehow
But
that
I
stuck
did
to
like
my head.
I did like the Titanic at some point. I know yours is like the Butterfly Effect, like the second Sandlot movie, and I like
The second what?
The second Sandlot movie and The Little Vampire.
I love that movie. Alright, we're at the mall right now. I'm recording on my phone.
What do we need to do in there?
I need to return
that. What's your celebrity crush, Justin Bieber?
He's not my crush, he's just my best friend.
Okay. Want a smoothie from here?
Yeah.
Oh, bang. I just said bang. I meant to say gang, but I'm bang. Bang. Also, if I do this a lot, just know.
It's all brand. Well, we're probably
Yeah.
I stole something. That was it for our day. Got dark out, so
It was a little hectic, but we did it because it snowed a little bit.
yeah.
We got our
Gina.
shit.
Go ahead.
We got our stuff that we needed. Yeah, haul later. No, I'm kidding. Got some paint because I wanted to paint and draw and be creative.
Me too. Yeah. Gina will definitely be back for more videos.
Love overpowers hate. Love you.
And yeah. And I'll see you next time. Maybe. I don't know. We'll see. Peace.